How is TAP related to cognitive psychology? Have you ever wondered why some study methods seem to work better than others? The answer lies in transfer-appropriate processing, often referred to as TAP. This concept is a key part of cognitive psychology and helps us understand how memory functions. TAP focuses on the connection between how we learn information and how we later recall it. According to TAP, memory performance is at its best when the processes we use during learning closely match those we use during recall. This means that if you study in a way that aligns with how you will need to retrieve that information later, you are more likely to remember it. For instance, if you practice with multiple choice questions, you will likely perform better on a multiple choice test compared to if you prepared by writing essays. The similarity in cognitive processes makes a big difference. TAP builds on earlier theories in cognitive psychology, such as the levels of processing theory. While that theory emphasized the importance of deep and meaningful processing, TAP adds another layer. It highlights that it is not just about how deeply we process information, but also about the similarity of the cognitive processes involved in both learning and testing. This principle is significant because it explains why certain study methods are more effective for specific types of tests. Memory is not just about the amount of time spent studying. It is also about how we study in relation to how we will need to recall that information. This understanding has practical applications in education and study strategies. To apply TAP effectively, you should tailor your study techniques to match the format of your exams or real-life situations. For example, if you know you will need to recall information verbally, practice explaining concepts out loud. If your test involves writing essays, focus on writing answers instead of just reading notes. Additionally, matching your study environment to the test setting can further boost your recall. If your test will be in a quiet room, try to study in a similar environment. In essence, transfer-appropriate processing connects cognitive psychology to effective study methods. It shows that memory is optimized when the cognitive processes during learning and retrieval are aligned. By understanding and applying this principle, you can develop smarter study habits that improve your long-term retention and performance on tests.